blind, that's 1450, not 1500. Okay, I'm going to leave that in as a nice little joke. Anyway, all right, let's do this. This should be better. That's really funny that I got that so wrong. That's hilarious. As of this, uh, previous Monday, virtually, it was setting right at 270.26. So it made sense to go ahead and just run it at the same strike. So here you are. You can see we are setting in the last 2.5 minutes of that Friday virtualization. We have the 270 call, the 270 put that we sold. You can see the call is currently in the money, which is ideal. We want it to be called away. Um, I mean, if you're a capital gains investor, you'd be like looking at this saying, "Oh my gosh, I'm losing out on $3 of the profit." And it's like, well, we're not doing this for capital gains, or at least I don't do it for capital gains. I do it for the cash flow of selling the option premium. So I look at it from the fact that I sold a cash secured put and a covered call, and I got the premium on both of them, and I'm getting out of the stock, so I can just turn around and do it all over again. So I've sped it up a little bit, so we will get to the closing just to prove that it did close above 270. And then since we're on demand, it's not going to do it automatically. So we're going to, basically just simulate that it closed out the positions. But furthermore, we're going to go back over to the web application and track all of those transactions. And that doesn't do a simulation at all. It's actually calculating everything out the way it should be. And yeah, we'll find out how it ends and the results for all of that. So we got like 10 more seconds virtually. It's sped up a little bit, so it should end really quickly here. And come on, there it goes. So we stopped at the 272. Let's do that. Okay. And that is really hysterical. There we go. Finally. Okay. Now we're cooking. Okay. So there, proof that it closed above 270. So we will get called out of the call, and this expired worthless, and our shares are no longer ours. So let's go over to the web application. All right. All right. Here we are on the web application, myatwm.com. We're setting on the cost basis page, have Apple currently pulled up. So what happened? Well, our cash secured put for one expired worthless. So we can actually just delete that guy from the positions in play. We just get to pocket that money. That's always nice. All right. The call expired in the money, so we got assigned on that. So we want to do assigned. The covered call expired in the money, so we got our shares called away. So we got the $27,000 back. Thanks for watching. Create your free account today at myatwm.com. No credit card required.